Hello guys, I'm going to be doing a cabin air filter change for a 2019 Honda Odyssey. So EX. So you see the part number in the picture here. All right, and I'm gonna just go quickly how to do this. You could save yourself anywhere from $40 to $50 from going to the auto manufacturer at the Honda dealership. They're gonna charge you an arm and a leg for the filter and somebody to go in there and do something you could do yourself in 2 to 3 minutes. So the first thing you got to do is open up your glove compartment and empty out the contents. So after a fishing trip yesterday, came back today. Sorry if the car's a little sandy. I'm gonna go ahead and empty out the glove compartment. You can see here there's a little tab for the leg. I'm gonna go ahead and push this down. There you go. And then there's gonna be these tabs up here on both sides, which you're gonna see, and eventually this is gonna plop down and it'll expose where the air cabin filter is. Let me go ahead and do that. So these are the two tabs I was talking about. You squeeze inward, as you can see, and it's gonna fall in. And bam, back here, we got a freaking napkin sucked in. Wow. Okay, remove that. And you can see here it tells you airflow, and here's the Honda cover. And then remove that. Bam, filter's exposed. Let's compare it. I think this one might look blacker than what it is because it has a carbon element to it. The last time I replaced it, but you can still see there's leaves and stuff like that. So let's put them side by side and see what it looks like with the new one, which is a standard white one with no carbon filter built in, filtering element. So besides the carbon part to remove smells from the air cabin, right, from the interior of the car, I mean, even though it's gray and dirty, you can see in there's a bunch of leaves and grass and stuff like that, so it's very dirty. I'm putting a normal paper white one, so we'll see next time I swap it out how it really looks. Again, this I replaced this one last time, and I have a feeling that it has a carbon type element to it. You're gonna see various ones on Amazon. Just make sure now when you're gonna install it that you put the airflow in the same position. Let me show you something here. So again, airflow was down, so the filter's gonna have to go down, and you can see in there where it goes. Let me go ahead and slide that in real quick. Again, airflow down like a glove. Okay, I'm gonna snap the cover back in place now. All done. And installation obviously is the reverse. You put the cover back on, make sure it's snapped into place. We're gonna push this up now and push one side in. I did it on that side over there. Now with this hand, push this side in. I believe it's already in. So put this little leg in here, push it forward. There you go. And that's it. Now to refill it up with all the junk you had in there and get her done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be trying to do more little things for this 2019 Honda Odyssey. I no longer have the CX-9, the Mazda. So let me see if I could do a little video on how to install those fog lights I bought, LEDs.